Every midnight, the bell tower in the heart of the village tolled once, echoing through empty streets. No one tended the bell. The tower door had been locked for years. Still, the chime persisted, always at the same hour. One sleepless night, young Elsie crept outside, drawn by curiosity. She watched from the shadows as shadows of figures, thin and tall, glided silently into the square. They paused beneath the tower, listening to the bell's lonely song. When the last echo faded, the figures vanished, leaving only footprints in the dew. The villagers never spoke of the footprints.